Hi everyone, just a short video to demonstrate the features of the Fronius pulsing remote that I've manufactured. This pulse remote will work on Fronius machines, Castellan Eutectic or Oerlikon machines that use the same electronics. So the board gives the full range of pulse frequencies from 0.1 all the way up to 2000 pulses per second, with full control over pulse current, background current percentage and pulse width. That should give us 2 pulses a second. Let's try that. Yeah, that looks about right. Let's change the seconds on this a second. There we go. This should give us 20 pulses a second. That is horrendous. We don't like that at all. It should be 200 pulses a second. And this should be 2000 pulses a second. Yeah, that's pretty mad. Fully operational.